We should always try to walk upon the dangerous lands. We should always be walking and treading upon those lands that are never discovered, explored, known before by anyone in the world. Because walking upon discovered, explored, and known territory, subject, region, knowledge does not give us much good progress in return, and it certainly does not give us or provide us with distinction, sovereignty, differentiation, individuality, independence of any kind, because all we're doing is exploring, understanding, reading, and discovering those places, regions, societies that have already been discovered, explored, known by many other people before in one way or another. So all we're doing and all we're ever going to do as modern society is read, explore, understand, discover only those things, people, society, knowledge that people have already discovered, known, and explored centuries or decades or millennia, and that does not give us distinction anyways, as I just mentioned and told. But the thing is, we should always try to walk upon the dangerous territories, and it's not just about society, roads, mountains, hills, or other adventurous zones, but it's about knowledge, education, and exploring that sort of field in knowledge which people avoid or rarely read, or they just want to accept or embrace that type of knowledge. We should explore that type of knowledge. We should have and develop that sort of dangerous, powerful, inflammable, and very authentic sort of knowledge that can be used as a weapon to neutralize people's basically narcissism, or to deal with our own insecurities. It could be anything, but we should and we must always be walking the undiscovered, unexplored, unheard, unknown regions, territories, and knowledge in this world. And only we are significant, relevant, distinguished, distinct, sovereign in our own ways in one way or another. We should and we must also always try to walk upon undiscovered land and uncharted territory, so that we can make some name for ourselves, so that we can have some respect and distinction and significance for ourselves from the others as well as for ourselves. So we will also be proud of ourselves. We will also be vain, prideful of ourselves when we are always able to walk upon the dangerous lands and explore, discover uncharted territory in our lives, and to walk obviously always forwards and leave a trail that the others are desperate to follow in one way or another. Because without that example, we are not significant, distinct, sovereign anyways. And when we are able to set and leave a very powerful statement example, then only we'll be followed, then only we'll treat it with distinction and sovereignty, and that's how the